Are you an NRI looking to maximize your foreign income? Stop relying on old information. This is the definitive guide to HDFC NRE account benefits. We're cutting straight to the unique advantages and lesser-known charges right now. Are you an NRI looking to maximize your foreign income? Stop relying on old information. This is the definitive guide to HDFC NRE account benefits. We're cutting straight to the unique advantages and lesser-known charges right now. How to open HDFC NRE account. Opening your HDFC NRE account is simpler than you think. You can complete the entire process online through the NRI banking portal. Key steps involve filling the application, uploading required documents like passport, visa and employment proof, and completing a video or in-person verification at a branch abroad or in India during a visit. Start the application today to lock in current rates. Opening your HDFC NRE account is simpler than you think. You can complete the entire process online through the NRI banking portal. Key steps involve filling the application, uploading required documents like passport, visa, and employment proof, and completing a video or in-person verification at a branch abroad or in India during a visit. Start the application today to lock in current rates. Opening your HDFC NRE account is simpler than you think. You can complete the entire process online through the NRI banking portal. Key steps involve filling the application, uploading required documents like passport, visa, and employment proof, and completing a video or in-person verification at a branch abroad or in India during a visit. Start the application today to lock in current rates. Opening your HDFC NRE account is simpler than you think. You can complete the entire process online through the NRI banking portal. Key steps involve filling the application, uploading required documents like passport, visa, and employment proof, and completing a video or in-person verification at a branch abroad or in India during a visit. Start the application today to lock in current rates. Top 5 Unique HDFC NRE Account Benefits. 1. Full repatriation. The principal and interest earned are completely tax-free and freely repatriable to any country outside India without restrictions. 2. Exclusive Sweep-in (FD). HDFC offers competitive, sometimes higher, interest rates on NRE savings balances linked to a special sweep-in fixed deposit, giving you better returns automatically than a basic savings account. 3. Tax treaty advantage. Nuance. While the interest is tax-free in India, the benefit extends to avoiding double taxation under DTAA agreements if structured correctly for specific countries, a detail often missed by other videos. 4. Resident joint holder. You can have a resident Indian as a joint holder on an either-or survivor basis, which is crucial for quick local fund access during emergencies, offering more flexibility than most competitor accounts. 5. Special loan eligibility. Holding a substantial HDFC NRE balance instantly qualifies you for preferential interest rates and processing on loans against NRE deposits, or even home loans in India. Lesser-known charges and important points to remember. Be aware of non-maintenance charges for the average quarterly balance AQB, which is often higher than a standard resident savings account, so check the latest threshold. Secondly, look closely at the charges for international debit card usage, specifically the markup percentage on currency conversion, which can add up quickly during foreign transactions. A crucial point to remember is to update your NRI status promptly with the bank, as failure to do so can lead to an incorrect resident account classification. Make sure all funds transferred are strictly from your foreign earnings only. Be aware of non-maintenance charges for the average quarterly balance AQB, which is often higher than a standard resident savings account, so check the latest threshold. Secondly, look closely at the charges for international debit card usage, specifically the markup percentage on currency conversion, which can add up quickly during foreign transactions. A crucial point to remember is to update your NRI status promptly with the bank, as failure to do so can lead to an incorrect resident account classification. Make sure all funds transferred are strictly from your foreign earnings only. This is the most critical information you need on HDFC NRE account benefits. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe for more exclusive NRI banking tips.